Do not repeat my mistake. Here's why. I opened an eToro account back in January of 2021 with one purpose only: to buy ETFs. I already have a major individual stock portfolio on Revolut, so I wanted to diversify by using eToro for ETFs. All was going well. I was happy buying ETFs on eToro, and even later made a whole review on eToro platform on my YouTube channel. The video was doing well, but out of nowhere, after a couple of months, I get this comment, and I was like, nah bro, come on, I've been buying ETFs for months now. All is good, isn't it? Then I actually went to my eToro account and checked my trades, and to my surprise, I did find a CFD written next to every single trade I made on that particular ETF. I actually started to doubt myself what I was buying there. So that sent me on a big rabbit hole of actually figuring out what a CFD is and what I was actually buying. After some digging, apparently I was wrong, and Miguel, who commented, was right. I was buying CFDs of ETFs. I'll explain. A CFD stands for contract for difference, and it means that you're not actually buying the asset, but rather betting on that asset price, basically if it's gonna go up or if it's gonna go down. And a big part of CFDs is that you can actually use leverage, which means that you can basically borrow money to increase your position without actually putting that money in. After some more digging, I found out that not only you cannot buy ETFs without CDF contracts on eToro, but the same goes for indices, currencies, and commodities on eToro. So you cannot own any of those things on eToro. The only thing that you can actually buy without the CFD contract are stocks and cryptocurrency. So what actually happened for me is that every time I bought VOO, the ETF I was buying on eToro, I was actually just entering another CFD contract, which basically means I was betting that the price would go up in my particular case. Thankfully, I was not using any leverage, and yes, you can actually buy CFD contracts without borrowing any money and just using your own, which is, kind of good if you want to trade in ETFs or indices or other major currencies, but that was not something that I personally signed up for. So actually, before making this video, I actually sold off all of my positions on that VOO ETF. And I want to publicly thank Miguel Lopez for leaving that comment, because it actually made me to go on that rabbit hole and learn more about finances and investing. So thank you for correcting me here. If you watched until this part of the video, then you're gonna love this one. It's basically a review of eToro platform. Of course, do skip the part about ETFs, but that's it from me. Until next time, ciao.